Buddy, I'm Maeve Gojo, and I'm bringing you guys the next part of what if Goku was born a Majin Saiyan. Now, if you guys are wondering where I'm beginning with the sport and the short series behind Goku, well, I'm gonna be straight moving on to Goku Black arc, since I want to say that most events go the same. Is it that Goku practically solves the entire Universe 6 with just using Super Saiyan God, or maybe even Super Saiyan 3 at least. And that we'll just practically see that Zanzu still wants to take Goku's body. If only in this timeline, Zanzu actually have much more of a pure divine ki, allowing his Rose form to be actually much more stable than he actually would have been in original. Now, I actually was able to learn that the Rose transformation is actually much more stable than the Blue transformation because it can master it even quicker than Blue. While Blue has the side effect of when it's mastered, you have to contain the energy inside of you. While for Rose, it's actually not the same factor. Yes, you can perfect Rose, but to a much better extent because it doesn't have to contain the energy, but you can repel it as an attack or anything else. So yeah, eventually, Golak will still attack Future Trunks' timeline. Now, unfortunately, this Future Trunks is way stronger because he has Super Saiyan 2 way earlier on. Also, he has Masters as well. So this Future Trunks is actually stronger than canon Future Trunks. But he's still not matched to the original Goku from that timeline, so yeah. Of course, C still escapes the past and tries to warn the Z-Virus. If wondering in this, if wondering, yes, Trunks can actually tell the difference between Goku Black and Goku because this Goku Black did not actually use Goku's modern transformations or modern Super Saiyan. In fact, he actually did not even able to access them, only Majin Super Saiyan. But he was not able to access any other forms when Trunks tried to push it into. And this was actually pretty interesting, and Trunks was able to learn that he's not Goku but Goku Black. So yeah, and eventually Dobak will appear and try to face Goku. Of course, if we're running base to base, both of them are actually equal in power, except that Goku needs to go into Super Saiyan to try to slightly keep up with Black. But that's only that. Eventually, Goku will able to defeat Zanzo with literal ease. Eventually, they'll go into back to the future as Goku would face off against Black, with Black transforming into his Majin Rose form. With this, he'll face off against Goku as Goku uses his Super Saiyan Blue Majin form as both of them rush against one another, seemingly as they're both equally matched. But Black has the advantage on speed, while Goku has the advantage of durability and agility. While Black is much more faster than Goku, Goku is much more agilable than Black. But he is still able to keep up some of the attacks, but Goku does not have the attack potency that Black does, since his attack is much more potent in energy than Goku are. Even though Goku has mastered his Super Saiyan Blue, Black in just 3 days has mastered Rose due to his potential being mixed with that of Goku's. So that just makes Black to be even stronger than his original counterpart. So yeah, with this, Goku and Black will be in a stalemate since they're both equally matched, while their strength and speeds are different. Of course, Naruto will easily get pumped by both Vegeta and Trunks, due to them able to handle Zanzo pretty well. Of course, Goku will then start to get irritated as he'll power up once again. Seemingly, as his power is not ended, as he powers up into Super Saiyan Rose Majin 2. Seeing as Goku is survived by his sudden power up, Black sends Goku flying as Goku sends into a nearby building, seemingly almost knocked down as both Trunks and Vegeta are working for Goku. Vegeta then blasts Zamasu, able to send him away as Vegeta tries interfacing Black, but Black's power is beyond that of Vegeta's. Even though he has begun to close the gap between himself and Goku, Black is just opening the gap even further than it was before. Goku decides to try and do something risky, knowing that technique that Vegeta was trying to teach him a long time ago. And he has been teaching him ever since he was training on Beer's planet. Goku then stand up as his hair will become a silverish pink color. As Goku was surrounded by pink aura, Goku's eyes will become pink silverish color. As Goku will become Ultra Instinct Sign. Seeming as this is the first time Goku was asked it seems Goku can feel a bit of stamina drain, but not as big as it was the original one. Before warning, Goku has been trying to tap into Ultra Instinct willingly, but he's only able to tap into Ultra Instinct when he's slightly injured or if he has a big injury. And Black was able to damage Goku a lot, so most likely he will be able to activate Ultra Instinct just for now. But for now, he cannot activate it at will, only when he's damaged or hurt. So that's why he can only activate it at this certain moment. Though then face off against Black, it seemingly the times has now been changed, as Goku is easily able to overpower Black now that he has the attack and speed for it, even the durability as well. As Vegeta and Trunks were able to handle Zanzo before he can heal Black, Goku continues to palm Black seemingly as Black cannot keep up with Goku. Seemingly as Goku's power has increased way beyond what it was before. Of course, both Black is also trying to fuse, but Goku is able to use a key blast to destroy a Patara earrings, able to destroy, for example, so he cannot fuse with Black. Of course, both of them will be angered as they know they cannot fuse. Goku knows how they can fuse the Mandalorian fusion. He was able to learn it just going into other teachers or trying to find new techniques while asking Whis for it. And Whis was able to tell Google about the Mandalorian fusion. No, it's not that type of big technique, but when it comes to users being very powerful fusing, this is actually incredibly good technique to say the least. So yeah, with this Goku were able to use fusion as both Vegeta and Goku would have fused into Gogeta, with Gogeta using Mars Super Saiyan Blue and actually a tap into a power of Vegeta's Super Saiyan Blue evolution, and eventually achieve Majin Evolution Blue. With this power, Gogeta is mighty stronger than Goku. If one Gogeta in Blue Evolution Majin form, it's actually almost as strong as Goku using Sign, if not even stronger. And with this, Gogeta is easily able to overpower in our exams while they will defuse. Goku is easily able to handle Black using Omen. If when Goku is not tap out of Omen, he's still staying in that form. He's just not exhausted in it due to his Majin abilities, able to keep him up for much longer. In which after killing Black, they're able to return back to the future and Tron is thankful to them about helping him a lot. Ryoko and Vegeta just tell him that it's all good for helping him, since he did help him in the past, so they just return the favor. With Tron thanking him as he goes back to his timeline. In which both Goku and Vegeta will continue their training, with Goku trying to master Ultra Instinct Omen, seemingly as he's been trying for a really long time, but he sees his power and strength is still not increasing as he thought so. Of course, he knows in the past it was able to increase immensely, but for now it's actually been slow because of Ultra Instinct not able to be mastered. Bo actually theorizes that maybe Goku's martial potential is pushing him, but Ultra Instinct is holding back while doing so. So Goku must master Ultra Instinct before tapping into the Majin abilities. Goku decides to try to combine his Majin mode, and he's actually able to analyze it incredibly better. With Ultra Instinct actually became much more stable when using it, but it still drains incredible amounts of stamina. Eventually, Goku is able to master Ultra Instinct Omen, and even control it to a much better focus than his can counterpart in the Mortal arc, which proves that he can actually utilize Ultra Instinct with no stamina issue, and even he can activate it at will and not even to drain his stamina, meaning that Goku has practically mastered Omen, but he's still not able to master the have the true Ultra Instinct or the mastered or perfected. With this, Goku of course will continue his training, trying to push himself even further, as he knows he can push his limits even further beyond. Of course, Goku will still visit Zeno, and eventually the Tournament of Power will still begin. But unlike the original, Goku actually would have told Zeno that if he cannot erase the universe, just tell him that they cannot participate in the matches. Which of course Zeno decided to agree to Goku's words, seeming that he has no problem with it. Of course, Goku just relieved that it can happen, with actually again also telling Goku to just be much more careful with his words when it comes to Zeno. With Goku just nodding and telling him that he will, maybe in the future as well, because he knows that he'll be kind of troublesome as Goku just chuckles. Actually, of course, can sense that Goku has achieved Ultra Instinct. He's actually kind of proud of Goku. He's actually one of the strongest Morals he's ever faced, and maybe he will even face if that is the case. Goku is the only he was able to surpass most of the angels that are weakest, but he's almost able to match with those and Whis. And they're practically one of the two strongest angels, alongside many others and the other two. So yeah, of course the Grand Prix would have actually told Goku and when the tournament actually, and he also trained Goku a little bit. Goku actually not having a problem with it, seemingly as he actually wants to become stronger. Goku taking the Grand Prix as he nods as Goku then is teleported back to Earth as he thinks maybe he should bring the team together. But guys, this is the end of this part. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.